My name is Ginger. When I was 5 years old, I got my foot amputated by a riding lawnmower, and I've had a prosthetic basically my whole life. I met Michael about 20 years ago when he moved to Twin Falls, and he started doing my prosthetics then. Michael has done a wonderful job at getting it to actually fit and to where I can actually walk somewhat decent. I am doing better now. I can actually walk without having to use my sticks all the time. I can get up and down stairs easier. Having Michael and having known Michael over the last 20 years, he's been very patient in trying to find something that will fit and be beneficial to me. I would recommend anybody that has any prosthetic needs, Michael is definitely one to go to because he has many ideas and can find one that would fit your needs.